Greetings, Cyber Ninjas! Welcome to the first June edition of Injective Crypto Ecosystem bi-weekly news. A busy 2 weeks for the Injective community as the Injective Ecosystem launches new and comprehensive tokenomics paper, launches Ninja Master Referral Program, integrates with MEXC, and more. Your one-stop channel for the Injective Ecosystem, covering new dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, airdrops, and a bunch of other updates in this episode. And now, today's top stories. Injective has published its first complete tokenomics paper on the Injective token, INJ, showcasing its innovative economic framework, which included a renewed token burning mechanism. The new mint module can dynamically adjust supply parameters based on the bond-to-stake ratio. Also, there is an exchange module, a revenue share mechanism allocating 60% revenue to the burn auction and 40% for dApps. Permissionless votes on Mito were announced, subject to meeting certain requirements and the market being available on Injective dApps. To avoid spam, a 10 INJ fee is required to create a vault. There is also an initial 20 INJ minimum subscription for initial liquidity and to reduce risks. Also, Mito will be set as the owner automatically to prevent withdrawal of initially subscribed funds. INJ quoted markets using the CPMM strategy are supported, and in the future additional markets and vault strategies will be added. Helix offers unmatched access to global financial primitives, endless on-chain gateways, and true institutional liquidity. Helix offers 88 markets and has generated $32 billion in volume. The leading stablecoin PayPal USD, PYUSD, is now available to trade on Helix DEX, which makes Injective one of the first L1s to support the stablecoin released by PayPal. Injective is paving the way for RWAs to achieve their full potential on-chain. MEXC has now integrated Injective into its centralized exchange. This integration enables MEXC's a larger user base of over 10 million users to easily send and receive INJ tokens. Kage, the decentralized liquid staking platform on Injective, has partnered with Hydro, the Injective native LSD plus LSD5 protocol. This partnership allows users to use HINJ as collateral on Kage and create IUSD, boosting the utility of both tokens. Injera protocol is set to launch on Injective this June. The phased rollout aims to gradually introduce users to the Injera ecosystem, ensuring a smooth and effective launch. Here's a breakdown of what to expect during each phase. Phase 1, Open Alpha. This stage will focus on the Injera CDP money market. Phase 2, Growth Stage. The focus shifts to attracting total locked value, TVL, to Injera to enhance earning potential and distribute it to users. Phase 3, Open Beta. This stage introduces the USDI staking utility. Phase 4, Ecosystem Integration, focuses on integrating Injera with the broader Injective ecosystem, including partners like Hydro, Neptune, Black Panther, and Dojo Swap. BitOro is a new Injective dApp which leverages Injective's fully on-chain order book module. BitOro will provide access to both null markets as well as perpetuals for RWAs and more. Injective has unveiled its latest initiative, the Ninja Masters Referral Program and Ninja Ambassadors. This innovative program allows participants to earn rewards for introducing new users to the Injective ecosystem through referrals. Injective was featured in landmark locations such as in the center of Times Square and in Seoul, as you can see here. Injective and Ninjas are going global and featuring in more locations are expected. Injective announced the first ever Injective Builder House, which will be in Brussels on the 10th of July from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the location will be K1 Brussels. This event will gather Injective core devs, partners, and there will be workshops and panels. That concludes our first June edition of Injective Crypto Ecosystem bi-weekly news, Cyber Ninjas. If you enjoyed our Ninja Speed rundown of June's hottest updates and events, show us your ninja moves by smashing that like button, dropping a stealthy comment below, and subscribing to stay sharp on all things Injective. Keep your blades sharp, your trades stealthy, and your eyes on the prize. Until next time, stay stealthy, stay powerful, and keep mastering the crypto dojo. Happy trading, warriors.